Hi, I'm Hunter with Foundation Technologies, and this is Sonitec, the CSL tube. If you have CSL testing on your project, this is the only CSL-specific tube in the market. Sonitec is very different from Schedule 40, which may be spec'd or used on a lot of projects. Schedule 40 is heavy, is clunky, it's made for a lot of different things, plus it's threading and coupling, which can be time-consuming and also very difficult on site. Sonitec is lighter, quicker, and safer to install. There's no threading and coupling needed. Sonitec is a push-fit connection. Each tube comes in 20-foot sections and fits together via push-fit. The installation is simple, and you would tie off between the welded ears on both sides of the tube. This CSL tube will bend with the cage, allowing the tube to maintain its integrity inside the shaft. Because Sonitec is only a third of the weight of Schedule 40, it's safer and easier to install, making what contractors say about 60 to 80% of the labor compared to the alternative. After the CSL tube has been tied together, it can quickly be picked up, slid inside your cage, and tied to the rebar via the welded ears. Sonitec is the premier CSL tube on the market today. If you have a project that specs Crosshole Sonic Logging, give me a call at Foundation Technologies, and we'd love to talk about Sonitec on your next project.